Welcome. If you're looking to bring a splash of color and better organization to your Google Drive folders on mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to color-code your folders using the latest Google Drive app update. Let's get started. First, open up your Google Drive app on your mobile device. Once you're in, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the Files tab. This will show you all your folders and files in one place, making it easy to find the folder you want to organize. Now scroll through your list and find the folder you'd like to color code. When you've found it, tap on the three dots icon next to that folder. This icon opens up a menu with several options for managing your folder. From the menu, select the option that says Change Color. A palette of colors will pop up, giving you a variety of choices. Pick the color that best fits your organizational style or makes the folder stand out for quick access. You might choose red for urgent projects, green for ongoing work, or any color that helps you visually sort your files. After you've picked your preferred color, your folder will instantly update, making it easy to spot among the usual gray folders. Repeat these steps for any other folders you want to color code. The best part? You can always go back and change the color again if your system or needs evolve. Color coding isn't just about aesthetics, it's a powerful way to boost productivity. With a quick glance, you can find exactly what you need, saving time and reducing digital clutter. Whether you're managing schoolwork, business projects, or personal files, adding color brings clarity and efficiency to your workflow. So, open up your Google Drive, tap on Files, use those three dots, and start adding some color to your digital life. Happy organizing!